Ever wondered about the forEach function in JavaScript? Its beauty lies in its simplicity and efficiency. Today, we're diving into the heart of this function, bit by bit, to uncover its potential. The forEach function, a higher-order function in JavaScript, is a tool to traverse each element of an array. It's like an efficient tour guide, leading you through each item in the array without missing a single one. The function operates by executing a callback function for each element in the array. This callback function can do anything you want with each array element, giving you a lot of flexibility. The syntax of the forEach function is quite straightforward. Imagine you're commanding an array to perform a specific task for each of its elements. In JavaScript code, it would look like this: array.forEach callback currentValue index / code block to be executed. Here, callback is the task you're asking to be performed. It's a function you provide to be executed for each element in the array. The current value is the array element currently being processed. Think of it as the individual item in the array that the callback function is currently working with. Optionally, you can also include index, which represents the position of the current value in the array. Another optional parameter is the array itself, which is the array that the forEach function was called upon. One key point to remember is that the forEach function does not mutate the original array. It's like a considerate guest, leaving everything as it was found. Let's illuminate this concept with an example. Suppose we have an array of numbers. We can use the forEach function to log each element and its index to the console. The code would look like this: const numbers equals sign, numbers, forEach function, item, index, console.log. This would output each element and its index starting from 0, like so. Element at index 0 is, 1 element at index 1 is, 2 element at index 2 is, 3 element at index 3 is, 4 element at index 4 is, 5. In this example, the forEach function is taking a tour of each element in the numbers array. For each stop on the tour, it executes the callback function, logging the element and its index to the console. To summarize, the forEach function in JavaScript is a powerful tool for iterating over array elements. It's simple yet flexible, allowing you to define exactly what operation to perform on each array element. And importantly, it respects the original array by not mutating it. So, when coding in JavaScript, remember to take advantage of this efficient tour guide through your arrays.